Namaskar, I welcome you to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about public finance. But if you are new to my channel, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more topics. This topic is on graduation level. First is its meaning. It is the branch of economics that assesses the government revenue and government expenditure of public authorities. It is the study of monetary and credit resources of the state. In simple words, it is the study of the role of the government in an economy. Next is its types. On basic levels, 5 types are mentioned. First is federal finance. It is the system of assigning the sources of revenue to control as well as state government for efficient discharge of their respective function. For example, on district level, 3 branches are there: legislative, executive and judicial. So it is the system for state level public finance activities. Number 2 is public debt. It is the accumulation of annual budget deficits. How much country owns to lenders outside of itself. 2 types of debts are included: external debt and internal debt. Due to this pandemic time, public debt of so many countries in the world have increased in last 1.5 years. Next is public revenue. Total income of the government of a country from all its resources is known as public revenue. It is counted after a regular basis as yearly basis, which are counted by a definite time of period. It is often counted after every financial year. Different type of countries use different financial years. As in Asia, financial years is up to April last. Here a very important notice is that taxes and rents are never included in public revenue. Next is financial administration. Another topic about public expenditure is that it is the money spent on public welfare for construction of roads, hospitals, also giving pensions to government employees. Day by day, public expenditure is increasing due to increase in population and increase in national wealth. Number 5 is financial administration. Financial administration manages financial accounts of a firm on a small base and on big scale a country's financial issues. It is controlled by Finance Commission of a country, which keep records of invoices and tax payments. In general, the president of Finance Commission of any country is president or the prime minister. Next are advantages of public finance. In the advantages, first is SEC approval. Second is due diligence. In due diligence, checking of the assets and liabilities and access to the risk within a business is studied. For example, reading annual reports of a company or any independent research can tell about due diligence. Third is ability to raise funds by selling stock. It is a way by which government earning money from public for further investment and welfare of public. As you all know about the share market, companies sold out their shares to earn money. Similarly, government or public sector also sell share to earn money and making public their partner. Next is financial information. Finance is a term for matters regarding the study of money and investment. Financial information of a firm can be studied by its yearly report. and for a country, while for a country, whole financial year activities can be studied by official reports of government or the finance commission of any country. Number 5 is strictness for global accounting standards. First of all, what is global accounting? Global accounting is where multinational companies have international locations all over the world. As you know that so many countries have spread their business across many countries. So this is an example of global accounting. The strictness for global accounting standard means transparency, accountability, and efficient in financial markets around the world. So student, this is the explanation of public finance, its types and advantages. This is studied on graduation level for economics students. If you like my video, then please subscribe to my channel. God bless you all. Thank you.